This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to download an Overleaf project. Whether you're collaborating on a research paper, preparing a presentation, or drafting a document, downloading your Overleaf project as a PDF is a crucial step in sharing and preserving your work. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, open your project in Overleaf. You'll want to be sure that you're logged into your Overleaf account and have your project open on your screen. Once you're in your project, take a moment to glance over to the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the preview panel. It's an area that displays your formatted document in real time, allowing you to see exactly how your work will look when it's finalized. This preview panel is your window into the final version of your document, providing a vital checkpoint for ensuring everything is just right before you download it. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar of this preview panel. Among the icons that allow you to interact with your document, look for the Download PDF icon. This icon is easily recognizable as a small sheet of paper with a downward pointing arrow. It's conveniently located right next to the Recompile button, so if you see that, you're in the right area. Clicking this icon is the key step in downloading your document. Once you click this Download PDF icon, your PDF will begin downloading immediately. There's no need to wait or go through any additional prompts. Overleaf handles this efficiently for you. The downloaded PDF will be saved to your computer's default downloads folder. This is typically where your browser saves downloaded files, so you can easily locate your newly downloaded document there. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully downloaded your Overleaf project as a PDF. It's a quick process, but essential for ensuring your work is easily shareable and safely stored on your local device. Remember, having a local copy of your document not only makes it accessible offline, but also provides a backup, safeguarding your work against any unexpected issues with online access. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just remember, open your project, find the preview panel, click the Download PDF icon, and look in your Downloads folder. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the content of your work and less on the technicalities of document management. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy writing and enjoy using Overleaf for all your document needs.